Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on a PDF document. So first, you want to open up Microsoft Word, and then you want to go to the home page. Then over here at the sidebar, you want to click on Open. Then you want to locate the PDF file. Then you want to import it over here in Microsoft Word. And after that, the PDF file will be opened here in Microsoft Word. And take note, we're editing a PDF file over here. So over here at the top, just click on the sign, then click on watermark. Then you want to go ahead and choose your watermark. It could either be a picture or a text. Then I'm just going to edit my watermark over here. Then you can also change the format of your watermark, and after you're done with that, just click on OK. And as you can see, we've already added our watermark here. And then you just want to go ahead and save your file. And that's it. Thanks for watching.